Alright, she has done some basic maintenance. And basically, we prune the bottom 6 to 12 inches. Make sure no leaves, very important, no leaves touching the soil. But she prunes them 6 to 12 inches. Any dead leaves, she prunes off or cuts off. And voila, tomatoes everywhere. Something you should look into doing. Pruning. Bottom line, no leaves touching dirt. Bad things can live in dirt. Leaves catch them, bad things happen. I will show you the, well, maybe cherry tomato. Next. This is the cherry tomato plant, or so I thought. I'm not sure what is going on. We may have had a seed mix-up. I'm not sure. There's tomatoes, but they look way too big to be cherry. So we're gonna let them go for a little bit anyway and see. Again, pruned 6 to 12 inches from the bottom. Here's a little better angle, the first angle I showed you. Get all that crap out, nothing touching dirt. There's a dead leaf there, that should come off. I'll take care of that when this is done. And we go from there. Alright, keep on growing, keep on watching.